Industrial Water Treatment 101, what it is and why you need it. Water is the lifeblood of every industrial facility. Whether you're running boilers, cooling towers, or closed-loop systems, water quality directly impacts performance, safety, and cost. But untreated or poorly managed water comes with real risks: corrosion that damages equipment, scale that drives up energy bills, and even bacteria like Legionella that can threaten health and safety. That's why industrial water treatment is so important. In this video, we'll cover the basics of what industrial water treatment is, the systems and industries that rely on it, the problems it solves, and how ChemREADY partners with facilities to keep their operations safe, efficient, and compliant. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of why water treatment isn't optional. It's essential to protecting both your business and the people who depend on it. What is industrial water treatment? Industrial water treatment is the process of conditioning and managing water so it can be safely and efficiently used in critical systems like boilers, cooling towers, and closed loops. Every drop of water that enters a facility carries minerals, gases, and microorganisms that, if left untreated, can cause serious problems. Untreated water causes scale, corrosion, biological growth, and inefficiency. Think of it this way. Untreated water leads to scale buildup, which acts like insulation on heat transfer surfaces, forcing your equipment to work harder and waste more energy. Corrosive water eats away at pipes, tanks, and heat exchangers, shortening their lifespan and leading to costly repairs. And microbial growth, including harmful bacteria like Legionella, can put both workers and the public at risk. Industrial water treatment addresses all of these risks by using the right combination of chemicals, equipment, and monitoring strategies. The goal is simple: protect your systems, extend their life, and keep your operations running safely and efficiently. So, where does industrial water treatment actually take place? The most common applications are in boilers, cooling towers, and closed-loop systems. Each of these plays a critical role in keeping a facility running, and each one depends on properly treated water. Boilers generate the steam and heat that power production processes, but without treatment, scale and corrosion reduce efficiency and damage equipment. Cooling towers keep plants from overheating, but they're especially vulnerable to biological growth and mineral deposits if water isn't carefully managed. Closed-loop systems, often used in HVAC and process cooling, need consistent water quality to prevent hidden corrosion and costly leaks. What systems and/or components are treated? Beyond the systems themselves, water treatment is essential across a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and food and beverage processing to healthcare, commercial buildings, and schools. No matter the application, the risks are the same: higher operating costs, equipment downtime, and potential safety hazards if water isn't treated properly. What happens if water isn't treated? The risks show up quickly, and they're costly. Scale buildup is one of the most common problems. Minerals in the water harden on equipment surfaces, creating a layer of insulation. That means boilers and heat exchangers have to work harder, burning more energy and driving up utility bills. Even a thin layer of scale can reduce efficiency by 10% or more. Then there's corrosion, which silently eats away at metal piping, tanks, and cooling systems. Corrosion weakens equipment, causes leaks, and eventually leads to unexpected failures that can shut down operations and require expensive replacements. We also see microbial growth, bacteria, algae, and even dangerous pathogens like Legionella. These organisms not only damage systems but also create real health and safety risks for workers and building occupants. Untreated water can lead to regulatory non-compliance, fines, and even forced shutdowns. Untreated water also leads to waste and inefficiency. Facilities end up using more water, more chemicals, and more energy to keep systems running, which drives up costs and increases environmental impact. The bottom line is, ignoring water treatment doesn't just shorten equipment life. It threatens productivity, safety, and your operations. So, what does an effective industrial water treatment program actually look like? At its core, It always includes three key elements: the right chemistry, the right equipment and monitoring, and consistent service and support. From our perspective at ChemREADY, this starts with chemistry. Different systems face different challenges: scale, corrosion, or microbial growth, and each requires a specific treatment. That could mean antiscalants to control mineral buildup, corrosion inhibitors to protect metal surfaces, or biocides to keep bacteria and algae under control. Choosing the right blend and using it correctly is critical to success. Next is equipment and monitoring. Even the best chemistry won't help if it's not delivered consistently. That's why modern programs use feed systems, controllers, and sensors to make sure water conditions stay in the right range. At ChemREADY, we offer advanced remote monitoring options, so facilities get real-time data and alerts that help operators spot issues before they cause downtime. And finally, ongoing service and review. Water systems aren't static. Conditions change with seasons, source water quality, and system use. A good program includes routine testing, adjustments, and support to keep treatment on track. We also extend this same approach to the wastewater side of operations. Through our source-to-discharge programs, we help facilities manage everything from odor control to heavy metal removal. By covering both processed water and wastewater, ChemREADY supports the entire water cycle, ensuring efficiency, compliance, and sustainability at every stage. This complete model, chemistry, equipment, service, and full-cycle support, is how we at ChemREADY build treatment programs. It's a framework we apply across industries, and it's what helps facilities stay safe, compliant, and efficient over the long term. When water treatment is done well, the benefits go far beyond just keeping equipment clean. With a water treatment program in place, equipment lasts longer and operates more efficiently. That means fewer unexpected breakdowns, reduced repair costs, and less downtime across your facility. By controlling scale and corrosion, boilers and cooling towers run at peak efficiency, lowering energy bills and improving overall performance. Water treatment also helps ensure compliance and safety. Proper treatment reduces the risk of bacterial growth, including Legionella, and supports facilities in meeting strict health, safety, and environmental regulations. For many industries, staying compliant isn't optional. It's required to stay operational. There are also sustainability benefits. By reducing water waste, optimizing chemical use, and lowering energy demand, effective treatment helps facilities meet environmental goals while lowering costs. From ChemREADY's perspective, these benefits are exactly why we focus on building comprehensive programs. Efficiency, compliance, and sustainability aren't just industry buzzwords. They're the real-world results of a strong water treatment strategy. When it comes to industrial water treatment, there are a few common misconceptions that are worth clearing up. One myth we hear often is that all water problems look the same. In reality, scale, corrosion, and microbial growth each require vastly different approaches, and using the wrong treatment can actually make things worse. Another misconception is that more chemicals always mean better treatment. The truth is, overdosing can actually damage equipment and waste resources. Effective treatment is about balance and precision, not quantity. We also hear the idea that once a system is treated, the job is done. But water chemistry changes over time, and even daily in some cases, with seasons, usage, and source water quality. So, ongoing monitoring and adjustments are always essential. At ChemREADY, we've seen how these myths can lead facilities down the wrong path. The reality is that water treatment isn't one size fits all. Every system is unique, and success comes from tailoring solutions to the specific challenges at hand. Industrial water treatment isn't just about keeping systems running. It's about protecting people, equipment, and resources. From boilers to cooling towers to closed loops, every facility depends on water, and the quality of that water directly impacts efficiency, safety, and cost. As we've seen, effective treatment combines the right chemistry, the right equipment, and consistent monitoring and support. When those elements come together, facilities not only avoid costly problems, but also build more sustainable and reliable operations. Whether you're responsible for a single system or an entire plant, the key takeaway is this: water treatment is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. Understanding the risks, addressing them proactively, and committing to regular review makes all the difference. At ChemREADY, this is the perspective we bring to our work every day, and it's why we believe sharing knowledge about water treatment is just as important as delivering the treatment itself.
Thank you for spending time with us and our experts today. We're excited to continue this journey with you. For more water treatment insights and helpful resources, please visit us at getchemready.com. And if you'd like a more personal connection, we're just a phone call away at 1-800-229-6801. We can't wait to connect with you again and explore your water projects together.